नमस्कार, वेलकम टू OPSC OS A to Z. So 2017 OPSC OS प्रिलिमिनारी क्वेश्चन पेपर 1 रो क्वेश्चन नंबर 70 जाए आम लास्ट वीडियोस रे कवर कर सारी जो मैंने भी देखी ना प्लेलिस्ट को जाकि देखी नियंतु. So let's start from question number 71. Which of the following sectors has attracted the highest foreign direct investment flows into India during the recent years? Options are chemicals other than fertilizer, service sectors, food processing, telecommunication. Its correct answer is service sector. Foreign direct investment includes finance, banking, insurance, non-financial sectors like research and development, testing, analysis and outsourcing. So next question ko jiba. 3 US scientists have been awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics for their work on gravitational waves. Which of the following is not one of them? Rainer Weiss, yes, he was awarded a Nobel Prize. Kip Thorne was also awarded for physics, and Barry Barish, he is also awarded with Nobel Prize. So option D is your right answer. Jay Jenningam was not awarded in Nobel Prize for physics. So next question kuch question number 73. Dark colored soil with high water holding capacity is considered highly productive as it contains high clay content, sand and calcium, clay and humus, silt and earthworms. Its correct answer is clay and humus. Dark color soil, mainly dark shell jago कहवा, it is highly productive. It is good for growth of wet and jowers. Dark color is due to the highly decayed organic matter. So next red soil को आसले. Red soil is abundance of iron oxide under oxidized condition देखा जाए अपना red soil रे, and well drainage आपनकर red soil रे देखा जाए. तो next जीवा question number 74 को. The introduction of new life forms in the denuded habitat is initiated by the process of eisthesis, aggregation, migration, coactions. Its correct answer is migration. So migration is the process starting from the time a propagule leaves the parent plant to the time it arrives in the bare area. So migration is your correct answer. Eisthesis कहले कौन बुझियो, the ability of some migrating plant species having arrived at a new site to germinate, grow and reproduce successfully while others fail to become established in the new environment. So ताको हमें कहबा eisthesis. Aggregation कहले the final stage of invasion. जदि गोटे foreign plant वा स्पेसीज आसिकी गोटे जगार ग्रो करुची ताको आमे कहबा इन्वेशन, जोटा कि लोकल फौना मानन को अफेक्ट करे. तो फाइनल स्टेज ऑफ इन्वेशन को आमे कहबा एग्रीगेशन. कोएक्शंस कहले द इंटरेक्शन पर्टिकुलरली कंपटीशन अमंग द ऑर्गेनिज्म को कहबा आमे कोएक्शन. इंडिविजुअल ऑफ ए स्पेसीज अफेक्ट ईच अदर्स लाइफ in various ways, which is known as coaction. So next question number 75 को जिबा. Biological equilibrium is the balance between producers and consumer, producers and nutrients, consumers and ecological factor, producer, consumer and decomposers. So its correct answer is option D, producers, consumer and decomposers. Mostly हमें producer को कहबा autotrophs, consumer है heterotrophs and decomposers are mostly bacteria and microorganisms. So next है question number 76 को. In a pond ecosystem, the BOD or biochemical oxygen demand increases due to options are photosynthetic activity of algae, high density of the aquatic macrophytes, high density of fish, increase in the population of the bacteria. Its correct answer is increase in the population of the bacteria. Biochemical oxygen demand is a measure of quantity of oxygen used by the microorganism in जोटा को हमें कहबा aerobic bacteria in the oxidation of organic matter. तो increase in the organic matter increases its population of the bacteria. When abnormally high levels of aerobic bacterial activity increases in the water, dissolved oxygen can drop dramatically. This is known as your biochemical oxygen demand. तो ये क्वेश्चन अपन 2015 रे भी आसीथिला. तो मन रखु बायोकेमिकल ऑक्सीजन डिमांड increases due to increase in the population of the bacteria and increase in the organic matter in the वाटर भी आपंकर बायोकेमिकल ऑक्सीजन डिमांड इंक्रीज करता है. सो नेक्स्ट जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 77 को ऑक्सीजन लेयर इन द स्ट्रेटोस्फियर इज अफेक्टेड बाय द इंक्रीज इन द एटमॉस्फेरिक कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड NH3 SO2 एंड क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन. यार करेक्ट आंसर होची क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन और CFC. CFC आपणकर ब्रोक हुए अल्ट्रावायोलेट रे रेडिएशन जो एंड क्लोरीन रिलीज करे. दिस कैन डिस्ट्रॉय ओजोन मॉलिक्यूल्स इन द स्ट्रेटोस्फियर. अदर रीजन्स फॉर द ओजोन डिप्लीशन आर वाइड रेंज ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल एंड कंज्यूमर एप्लीकेशन, मेनली रेफ्रिजरेटर एंड एयर कंडीशनर्स which are producing your chlorofluorocarbon. So ozone layer depletion is greater near poles, mostly in Antarctic region in South Pole. मन रखु ओजोन लेयर डिप्लीशन आपंकर अधिक देखा जाए पोल्स रे. एटा भी एग्जाम रे क्वेश्चन आसला. नेगेटिव इफेक्ट ऑफ ओजोन होल आर सर्टेन टाइप्स ऑफ स्किन कैंसर कैन कॉज सर्टेन टाइप ऑफ स्किन कैंसर, कैटरैक्ट, इम्यून डेफिशिएंसी डिजॉर्डर भी करें. ओजोन सेव अस फ्रॉम द हार्मफुल UV रेज ऑफ सन. ओजोन लेयर डिप्लीशन पाई आपनकर मॉन्ट्रियल प्रोटोकॉल 1987 रे हेथिला. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को जीवा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 78 को कंसीडरिंग द ग्लोबल वार्मिंग पोटेंशियल ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एज 1, द ग्लोबल वार्मिंग पोटेंशियल ऑफ CH4 or methane has been estimated to be approximately. Its correct answer is global warming potential of methane is 21. So global warming potential was developed to allow comparisons of global warming impacts of different gases. So it is a measure of how much energy of emissions of 1 ton of gas will absorb over a given period of time relative to the emission of 1 ton of carbon dioxide. Larger the global warming potential, more that a given gas warms the earth compared to the carbon dioxide over the time period. The time period usually used for global warming potential is 100 years. Carbon dioxide is used as reference and nitrous oxide रो global warming potential है 265 to 298 and केतोटी गैस रो ग्लोबल वार्मिंग पोटेंशियल हाई था जमती अपन क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन रो हाइड्रोफ्लोरोकार्बन, परफ्लोरोकार्बन, सल्फर हेक्साफ्लोराइड ये सब गैसेस मानकर ग्लोबल वार्मिंग पोटेंशियल हाई थे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 79 को जीवा. द पॉल्यूटेंट्स लाइक फिनॉल एंड मर्क्यूरी कैन बी रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम वाटर थ्रू सेडिमेंटेशन, इलेक्ट्रोडायलिसिस, फिल्ट्रेशन एंड बायोलॉजिकल oxidation. Its correct answer is filtration or coagulation. This is a common treatment that uses AlSO4 and it costs very little. It is mostly used in mercury filtration, and phenolic compounds removal from water involves absorption and photocatalytic process using synthetic and natural particles such as carbon materials and clays. Activated carbon is the most used in industry as absorbent. Next sedimentation कहले कौन बुझिबा is the process of allowing particles in suspension in water to settle out the suspension under the effect of gravity. So under gravity आपनकर settlement of suspension को कहबा sedimentation. In water treatment the sediment is called as sludge. When a thick layer of sediment continues to settle, this is known as consolidation. So next by electrodialysis को is it is a membrane process during which ions are transported through a semi-permeable membrane under the influence of an electric potential. The membranes are cations or anions, that is positive and negative ions. These techniques can be applied to remove ions from water. Biological oxidation कहले this is the mechanism where microorganisms degrade organic matter कंटामिनेशन ऑफ वेस्ट वाटर. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को जीवा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 80 को. क्वेश्चन नंबर 80 है द पॉल्यूटेंट जनरेटेड इन हाई क्वांटिटी बाय थर्मल पावर प्लांट्स. ऑप्शंस आर सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड, carbon monoxide, NH3 and fly ash. Its correct answer is sulfur dioxide. From mostly sulfur dioxide high amount रे कोल पावर प्लांट रू रिलीज हुए. सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड, कार्बन मोनोक्साइड, ऑक्साइड्स ऑफ नाइट्रोजन, ओजोन also released from power plants. Suspended particulate matter, lead and non-methane hydrocarbons are also released from power plants. Its health impact are it affects respiratory system, lungs, causes asthma, chronic bronchitis, eye irritation, cardiac disease. Suspended particulate matter from coal power plants mainly are smoke, fine dust particles, soot, etc. So question number 81 को जीवा. Which of the following cities is associated with the organization of Art Summit? Options are New Delhi, Geneva, Rio de Janeiro and Sydney. Its correct answer is Rio de Janeiro. United Nations Conference on Environment and Development held in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil in 1992. This is known as your Art Summit. 170 states participated in it. The Rio de Summit produced conventions regarding the climate change, biodiversity, forestry and recommended a list of development practice called Agenda 21. So Agenda 21 आपणकर Art Summit शुरू आसला. Agenda 21 is an action plan concerning sustainable development but it is a non-binding in nature. So next question 82 की जब LNG stands for liquid nitrogen gas, liquefied nitrogen gas, liquid neon gas, liquefied natural gas. Its correct answer is option D, liquefied natural gas. LNG contains 90% of the methane, some mixture of ethane, propane, butane and some heavier alkane and nitrogen. LNG used for residential, commercial and industrial sector. This is also used in vehicle. So next question को जीवा. Question number 83 को. Kyoto Protocol was signed by member of countries at Kyoto. Options are in 1995, 1997, 1999 and 2003. Its correct answer is 1997. आपन Kyoto Protocol signed हेतला. It is a framework convention on climate change to fight global warming and reducing greenhouse gases. India ratified Kyoto Protocol in 2002 and its Kyoto Protocol 192 members participated in Kyoto Protocol. तो Canada अपन को 2012 रे withdraw करने इतला Kyoto Protocol. So 84 question को जीवा. The first nuclear reactor in India was built in the year 1956. Its name was Kamini, Rohini, Bhaskar and Apsara. Its correct answer is Apsara. Apsara became the operational in Trombay campus of the BARC, that is Bhabha Atomic Research Center, 1950. Kamini is also a reactor. It is located in Kalpakam of Tamil Nadu. Rohini is a satellite launched by ISRO in 1980. Launch vehicle are SLV-3. Bhaskar 1 and 2 is also satellites of ISRO. This is India's first low orbit Earth observation satellite. The launch vehicle is C1 Intercosmos. So next question को जो है question number 85 को. What is a biogas plant? Digester, aerobic digester, anaerobic digester and gasifier. Its correct answer is anaerobic digester. Biogas is produced by fermenting biomass in biogas plant in anaerobic condition. So option C is your right answer. So thank you. Next questions आमे यार जो last part 2017 रो आमे next video रे cover करवा. Thank you.